back in the room, please.
Listen.
They didn't go pop your daddy like that. Go, Athena. This is. I love you.
Open the door.
You do? My kids are in goddamn danger. God. God damn you, fat piece of shit.
On October 21st, 2025, Putnam County Sheriff's deputies in Florida responded to a domestic disturbance involving a custody dispute between a man and woman who share 2 children. The incident raises questions about tenant rights, criminal threats, and law enforcement's role in civil disputes.
Yeah, you see what I'm doing with?
He said he owns this house with his mom.
I know it's your grandpa's house, right?
My grandfather put me and my mother on the lease because he's not that much longer. He's actually in the hospital right now. But he's put me and my mother on this lease, dude, 7 months ago.
Here's the thing. You can deal with however you want. If you need to lift that window up,
Yeah, but
push the AC unit,
I'm not
get
going
in.
to do that because I'm not breaking the whole shit.
All I'm saying, there's ways to get it without breaking it. You have
Yeah,
4 AC units.
dude.
So if you need to get in,
I
you'll
don't
get
need
in.
my kids seeing me going through the whole thing.
Yeah,
I get
it's
it.
one of those things where obviously this situation right here,
Yeah,
there's not going to be a fix to it tonight.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what me and him thought. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to go down there and file an eviction because she's not an owner. She ain't even been here half a year.
That's what you're going to do.
Yeah, I know. So,
I would do that as soon as you can.
it's probably going to be tomorrow.
Yeah, the courts are
If
closed.
you guys got kids,
I got
and your
kids.
kids kind of, if you talk back, like I told him, I was literally on the phone with this bachelor trying to tell because they needed to go. And because like tomorrow, they had this beautiful off. I didn't break any laws. I didn't do anything wrong.
I understand.
You know what I mean? But getting in his face, yelling, cussing at them, those are kind of things we don't do, especially to our children. But when she told them that, my son's 11. I mean, puberty's right around the corner. So his body is already starting to form the testosterone, blowed up at me while I was literally on the phone with the dispatcher. And he's like, dude, you're going to regret this. I'm like, literally on the phone, look, go to your room. And then it's got more and more of the arguing, and they don't need to fucking let it go. It's like, I'm going to stop talking to the kids like this. The children. 8 and 11 years old. Okay?
Alright.
She admitted to breaking shit. None of this stuff is hers. You know what I mean? I get that she's a resident here. She's not.
Yeah, obviously. I'm sure he explained it to you already.
Yeah.
That the only way to get him out is, or get her out is, is going through the eviction process, man.
Oh, yeah. I
would just,
Yeah, it's going to take like 30 days sometimes to do.
it takes longer than that.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
So, I mean, here's the thing, I would just go somewhere else tonight. Do you have other places to go?
But did you leave your house?
Here's the
You know
thing.
what I mean?
At what point-
I get what you're saying.
At what point is this going to
Benefit you. That's the thing.
I'm waiting on my
Benefit
sister
you
to show
staying
up
here.
because my kids were with my sister, and if I can get my kids to leave the house, then I will leave the house too.
Do you think your kids will leave that? Is that boy there yours?
Yeah.
It's your son?
They're both
They're
mine.
both yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm being completely honest with you. The boy seems like he's hell-bound on his mother's side. So the chance of him leaving is probably something done. And you got to think, is you're bringing your sister over here, is that going to make things better?
Yeah, because they love their cousins more than they love me and their mom.
I get that.
It's playtime when they get to go, so you know what I mean? So,
I see.
which again, I'm not going to force him. I'm not going to do any of that. That's part of the reasons why I wasn't on the phone trying to snatch him up. You get to the fucking bedroom, you know what I mean? I don't spank my kids by any means.
Right.
Which, nowadays you can't really spank kids.
You can, yeah. It's just
You can spank them, you just can't. I mean, you can't do it out of being angry. You got to do it out of
We
discipline.
still don't do that, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Even
no,
then,
I
You
understand.
don't really spank kids that old anyways.
I understand.
More along the lines of taking video games and stuff.
Right.
Now.
Exactly. That's the best thing to do.
But still,
at that
it's
point.
the
that's
dude,
where it really
the
hurts.
way your mom is acting. Like, why are you doing this right now?
Because
When
that's just
grandmother
how
gets home,
boys are.
grandma
with their
gets
mother.
home, he'll listen to her before he'll even listen to you guys.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
77.
I get it.
If my mom told him to run from you guys, he would probably do it.
Yeah.
Which
I
is
get it.
wrong for me to say, but I'm admitting it. That's what he would probably do if his grandmother told him to do something.
Yes.
Which it's fine, but in a situation like that, That's the reason why I called.
I understand.
I understand.
So,
Listen, don't get yourself into some trouble over this.
all right, you guys, what do I do now?
Here's
Like I
the
said-
thing. It's one of those things where we can't make her unlock the door.
Yeah.
But like I said,
We
push
can't
up the
stop
rest
you.
of the
from-
window and go in. It's
Did she put her hands on me while I do this?
you call the police.
Yeah, that's
You call
better.
us. We'll stand right here.
All right, gentlemen, I appreciate your time.
Yes,
Sorry
sir.
I had to deal with this bullshit.
Hey,
Sorry you had to-
there starts being an issue. Okay, make sure
Separate
you
yourself and come
separate
over.
yourself and start recording on your phone. Anything.
Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. But I mean, it gets to the point where if I get something on the phone, especially with the kids being related, and y'all show up next time,
What are you
will
doing?
that matter?
You can't stop him from going into his own house, man.
It's not his house, it's Grandpa's.
I'm on the lead.
It ain't your house either.
I'm on the lead. You need to unlock the door.
Nobody wants you here.
You
You
need
just
to
threatened my
unlock the
son.
door.
I'm not
I did
unlocking
not
the door. You
threaten
can
you.
break in.
I did not threaten you.
Break in, you get bullet in your head.
No.
No, we're not doing that.
Okay. I was just starting to go back to my house.
Be at 23rd and Madison. Trailer with no tag. Pulled by a van.
Under Florida Statutes Section 533.04, anyone residing at a property for more than 14 days gains tenancy rights and cannot be forcibly removed without court eviction. Both parties appear to have established residency, meaning neither can legally lock the other out. The officers correctly explain only the court can remove an established tenant.
Come outside. Come outside. And we have to talk now. We have to talk now. Because, come outside. It's about to be an issue.
Issue. He's breaking
Let
and
me
entering.
explain this
That's
to you.
the kid's
Let
room.
me explain this.
It doesn't matter.
Okay?
Yes, it does.
No,
He
it
is
doesn't.
allowed, let me,
Yes, it does.
let
No,
me
it
tell
doesn't.
you. He is allowed to go inside this house. Regardless of
It's
how
not
he gets
his
in.
house.
It doesn't matter. He's lived here for a longer
No, he
long
hasn't.
period
He
of
just
time.
moved in 4 months ago.
Okay, guess what? That's a long enough time.
Oh, no,
That's
it's
long enough
not.
time.
Legally, no, it's not.
Oh, you know the laws.
A little
You know
bit,
the laws.
yeah. I've only been alive since I was
Apparently
almost
not,
40.
because you don't know that. That's not how that
okay,
works.
okay.
You know what
I'm
establishing
just
residency
wondering
is.
how you pass PT.
Okay.
You see how that feels?
It doesn't
Do you
hurt-
see
it
how you're
doesn't
not
hurt my feelings
helping?
at all.
Do you see how you're not helping?
What I'm telling you
You're
is
allowing
if-
someone
if-
that just threatened an 11-year-old
okay,
boy
he
to
is
come
going
back in a
He
house.
is going to go inside this house. Okay?
You can
And
escort
you
him
are
to
not
his
going to do
bedroom.
it. I'm not
You
going to escort
can
him.
escort him
He's
to
going
his
to go
bedroom.
inside the door.
No!
Okay? Or he's going
He
to go
just
into the
threatened
window.
my. You're gonna
and
let
he's
him
gonna
break
go
in
And
after
he's
he
going- it's
threatened
not
my
breaking in.
son.
It's not breaking in.
You're letting
It's
him.
not breaking in.
You're
It's not
letting
breaking
him.
in. That's what I'm telling you
You're
right now.
letting him
It's not
break
breaking
in.
in. And you cannot make threats like I'm going to shoot you in your head.
For breaking and entering, even though
It's
he
not breaking
threatens
and
me
entering.
every
He
goddamn
has
day.
residency here.
He literally
Then
threatened
leave.
my son.
Leave. Then go
He
somewhere
threatened
else.
my son. So
Go
how can
somewhere
he
else.
be in here?
Leave.
He can't
It's
go
that
in
simple.
there. So he can come break and enter.
It's not breaking in here.
But I
don't know how
can't
many times
threaten to
that's
shoot
happened.
him, but he can threaten my
You're
11-year-old
threatening to
son.
shoot someone who's a
He
right to be inside.
threatened my 11-year-old
We're
son.
not arguing about it.
You don't deserve a badge. Get
I'm
the
sorry.
let the piece of shit back in the house.
I'm telling you. Okay,
Good
go
for
ahead.
you.
I'm telling you.
Know better because you fucking know it. And you know me from GameStop. This is bullshit. Come on, escort him to his bedroom because that's the only spot he's allowed in here.
Hey, man.
Escort him to his
I'm not
bedroom.
escorting him. He's walking.
That's
he
the
can walk
only
himself
thing
in.
he's allowed to be.
Now, he can walk anywhere in the house. It's his
How'd you
house as
pass
well.
your PT,
His
boy?
house. Have a good day. Have a good day.
This is gonna be a problem.
The woman's threat that the man will get a bullet in his head constitutes aggravated assault under Florida law. Officers appropriately intervene. Her claim of defending against breaking and entering is legally flawed since the man is an established resident with legal right to access the property through reasonable means if locked out. The situation escalates when the woman spits toward officers. Battery on law enforcement under Florida Statutes Section 784.07 occurs when someone intentionally touches or strikes an officer. While she claims she was clearing phlegm, her admission of continued spitting after takedown undermines this defense. Officer response appears controlled and proportional. The woman was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, a third-degree felony, and resisting without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor. Case disposition remains unclear. No civil lawsuit appears filed. The man was not charged as officers determined his entry attempt was lawful given his residency status.
Did you spit at me?
Yeah.
Come here.
What?
You did not spit at me.
No, I spit on the ground because I have loogies in my mouth. Prove it. Prove it, asshole.
Listen. I'm telling you right now.
Aiden, Athena, I love you. This is your daddy's fault. Because he's a cheating piece of shit.
Calm down.
Aiden, get inside.
Come here.
Aiden, go back in the room, please.
Listen.
Aiden, don't talk to your daddy like that. Go, Athena. This is. I love you.
Open the door.
You do? My kids are in goddamn danger. God damn, you fat piece of shit. How the did you pass your PT? Oh, y'all, man. Oh, y'all. My
We're
son.
trying to talk to you.
No, you're not. My son's
Yes, we
gonna.
were.
My son is gonna get the shit beat out of him tonight. Y'all don't understand. God damn it! Look at my daughter's legs. Y'all don't understand. Look at my daughter's legs. Yo, God damn. Yo. My kids are gonna.
Now you just called a felony.
I don't give a
All right.
you, dude, you piece of shit. I pray you die on the way to the office.
Stop spitting.
No, you, dude. You don't
You're
care
not
about
gonna
my
spit
kids. Come on, PT. Get it, boy. Use that belly.
Stop.
No, because you don't give a about my kids, you
You're
asshole.
not going to spit on me.
Then you can die. Fucking piece of shit. You can put me in or you move. One of the two. You're not allowed to do this, dumbass.
Right here until you get searched.
Well, go ahead. I don't care.
Female's going to search you.
Oh, okay. Well, you're being recorded, by the way.
I have my body cam on.
Good. That doesn't mean that y'all don't delete shit, dumbass.
Can't believe it.
I know how ruined y'all are. This goddamn governor's a freaking piece of shit. Florida's all joke. All y'all are. I hate y'all. Every last one of you. And you of all used to come in goddamn GameStop all the time. You know what I went through with him. Asshole. Yeah, you're new, fat boy. They don't let cops as big as you on their squad. Ain't no way.
I'm not sure why you're talking right now.
Because I care.
You're not in very great shape.
I don't care. Compared to what I used to be, I actually am though.
I don't
used
think
to be
so.
like 300 pounds. And then I, walked to work every day for 3 years.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, I'm not. It was great.
Are you calm down a little bit? Can we?
I'm
Can
really
I?
not. Go ahead.
Can I please just release
do
off you?
whatever you want. I don't
Are
care.
you? Can you please not spit on me? Is all I'm asking you.
I wasn't spitting on you to begin with. I spat
You did.
and I had loogies.
Listen.
And then when you tackled me to
Listen.
the ground, do you
I
see what
didn't-
you just did to my wrist?
I did not
Do
tackle
you
you.
see what you just did to my wrist?
There's no cut there.
There's nothing there.
There's no cut there.
You're so full of shit. I hate y'all.
All right. I'm sorry you feel that way.
No, you're not. Why do you do that?
Do what?
Act like a narcissistic piece of shit.
I'm sorry you feel that
Do
way.
you beat your wife too? Is that why you don't care?
I promise you I don't.
I promise you look like you do.
That's horrible.
It is, isn't it? You look like you beat your wife. That's why you don't give a shit that my kids are fixing to get the shit beat out of them, right?
You're wrong.
He doesn't care that my kids are fixing to get beat. That's fine. That's the only reason why I'm here. I just
So-
want to work.
We got into we were talking to her. And when we went to turn around, she spit at us.
No, I spit the loogie out of my mouth
She spit
because
at
as you
us.
can hear, I'm
And then while I was walking
her
over here, she kept turning her head and trying to spit.
Yeah, because you tackled me to the ground with all your body weight, you asshole.
Alright, what are you doing?
So we need to search
My
her.
kids
and then
are
I'm
gonna
taking her.
get beaten. If you could, check on them, make sure they're still alive after today. She searched her. She looks like she does cocaine. Her nose looks terrible. Even her stature. Take your glasses off. Let me see that pupil dilation. I know how crooked Putnam is. I've seen it.
This is a horrible example for your kids.
You're a horrible example for human beings.
Don't
Shut the up. Don't talk to me.
just
Don't
saying
talk
you
to
need
me
to be better
anymore,
for your
dude.
kids.
My kids are fixing to
All
have
right,
their
ma'am, turn around.
asses beat because
Turn
of
around.
you, 'cause I'm the only one protecting them.
Oh, I'm sorry you feel that way.
You, dude. You beat your wife, I can tell. So
Spread your legs.
good. I just got off of work.
Spread your legs.
They're spread. That's what you get. I'm not doing none of y'all no favors. I don't f***ing care. My kids just fixing to have the shit beat out of them because these two. I'm so goddamn ill. I literally just got off of work. Hurry up. I don't have time for this. Get a good feel too. They're real. Ass is real too, unlike most of y'all. Fine. Yeah, you feel better? Good. There you go. Take your shoes off too. Don't forget that. Let's be fucking retarded.
Get up.
Right now, you gonna stop. Do you understand that?
If you slam me,
Turn around, get up in your car, and start listening.
then quit f***ing slamming on me. You don't have a right to do that. I took my shoes off for you, you dumb.
All right, get in the car.
Not without my shoes.
Get in the car.
Get my shoes.
Okay.
That's my goddamn property.
in
You
the
gonna
car.
help me?
in the
I'm
car.
short. Help. Help, I'm short.
You don't need help.
Yeah, I do.
Jump in.
Clearly, you said I do.
Jump in.
So somebody help me in.
Oh, you
No,
want to help her in?
somebody. I'm not.
Okay.
We stand here all day.
Okay.
Help me, please. I'm short. I can't. Thank you. That's not. Oh, he's gonna. Great.
I'm going to read you this real quick, okay? Then I'm going to talk to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. And then you say can and will be used as evidence against you in court. You have the right to consult with an attorney. Have them with you now or any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request, okay? Do you understand these rights?
Yeah.
Okay, and you want to talk to me? Okay, let's talk about this.
You-
Let's talk about this. So,
Sorry, I said mean
Tell-
things about you.
I don't care. I hear that stuff all
It's not
all day.
okay. It's not okay. I wouldn't say it if I wasn't upset. That's really not okay.
I know the whole shit. I get it, and
I'm
if you,
sorry.
I wasn't. I was, I was trying to raise my voice over there, but it wasn't in a disrespectful way. It was in a manner of trying to make you understand. Because I don't want to lose my job,
Yeah.
and I can't stop him from going inside. Okay.
It's gonna be on my kid.
And let me his sister. I told him let the kids go to his sister, so his kids are going to the sister's house.
He's gonna go with them. He's not gonna be without them.
Yeah.
They're his paycheck.
Think about this, okay? There will be other adults there, okay, and watching them. This is going to be the biggest thing. All right, and I'm sure that he's not. They're not going to let him beat on them. Okay, that's that. This thing. When you opened that door, be honest with me. Were you upset and you let your emotions take
No,
over
I
you?
literally have all this congestion and everything, and I'm trying to stay. I didn't know you were still standing there. I promise. Like, I don't spit at people. That's assault. I know that I could get in trouble for that. No. And then, yes, when you tackled me and we hit the ground, it hurt, and I got mad, and then I started splitting, and yeah, I should have been spitting at you, and I'm sorry for that. But at the time, you didn't care about the kids. That's all I care about are my kids. I don't care what happens to me, but in the moment, I didn't care, and I'm sorry for that. Because I didn't care in the moment.
You gotta see where the issue is here, though. Okay.
Yeah, I understand the issue with it.
And how close we go to walk away, the door flies open and you spit.
That's just what I do. I
guys-
spit out the door all the time.
Okay.
That was...
And then another thing, when we went in there, and I tried to grab your arm and I just wanted you to come outside and talk to
I
us.
know, but Aiden, I
And
panicked. And I got upset. And I just wanted Aiden to not see it. I was trying to get Aiden to go to a room because he's had to deal with stuff like this since he
I
was
understand.
born. So, like I said, we just got back together after being separated for 8 years, trying to fix things, and then he goes and cheats. And then I find
I
out
get
this
cheating
morning
is a horrible thing to know.
I had to go
Trust
to
me.
work, my first day at work, after I found out And that's where the broken mirror came from, which I talked to the officers this morning about it. Because I broke the mirror with myself. I broke it. I went in the bedroom and took it out on the mirror instead of slapping him. And I told the officers when he took them out of school this morning and left to go to his sister's with them, I didn't know what else to do. There's nothing I can do. And every time I try to ask for help, nothing gets done.
And you gotta understand from our point, I promise you, if I could do something, I would do something in this
Nothing
situation.
ever gets done.
And I'm sorry you feel that way, okay? But right, here's the thing, okay? Today, you're going to jail.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
telling you that.
understandable.
But from here on out, there's some things you gotta look into to get separated from him. Okay? If he's not your best interest, I promise you there's so many resources for stuff like this. Don't feel like you're helpless, because you're not. Okay.
I don't have family.
Well, there's resource centers. Okay, you go to a resource center. I'm telling you right now, if you think I've heard this, I've had this conversation with tons of people, and guess what? It always works out for them. Okay, you gotta go seek resources, and I promise.
I'm going to jail. Take care of the kids.
Listen,
She doesn't care. She's just as two-faced. She beats her kids too. She doesn't care.
let's just get this taken care of. Okay.
Okay.
All right, and then from here on out, go get an injunction against him. Okay.
That won't stop nothing.
It will.
It
He
won't.
can't talk to you.
He's not. All our communication was supposed to be through text, but for some reason that didn't matter. None of the court orders have mattered. None of the parenting plans have mattered. None of it matters because his dad knows everybody and they're all related. All the champions and A-Bears, they helped build Palaca, and so nothing gets done. And then I end up going to jail because I lost my temper again because of him, because he threatened my 11-year-old son in front of me while the dispatch was on the phone. Bowed up at him and everything. Had he not bowed up at my kid and threatened him, I wouldn't have lost my shit the way that I did. I was protecting my kid. I'm sorry.
All right. Well, we're going to get back in the car. Okay. All right, and we're going to go ahead and get this taken care of. Okay. You need help?
Yes, I actually do. I really can't get in. I wasn't being sarcastic.
You want to turn around?
I'm so sure.
Try and put your foot right here. There we go. Here. There we go. Now push up.
Thank you.
The officers receive a B+. They demonstrate solid legal knowledge by correctly explaining tenant rights and refusing unlawful removal. They maintain professional composure and use reasonable force. However, they fail to adequately document the man's alleged threats toward his son or provide sufficient guidance on child protective resources beyond mentioning injunctions. The woman receives a D. She commits aggravated assault by threatening deadly force and felony battery on officers through spitting. Her self-defense claim is invalid since the man has residency rights. While her emotional state is understandable, threatening violence and resisting arrest demonstrate poor judgment. The great acknowledges her genuine concern for her children and post-arrest remorse. What do you think about this domestic dispute? Were officers correct to allow entry despite safety concerns? Share your analysis below. Like and subscribe to Frontline Cam Archives for more legal analysis of real police